So I'll explain while hovering. So you can see while hovering it comes up. Yeah, but an issue while hovering, I can't press this button. I'll explain how to fix that. I can't what's what now? I can't press this follow button because once I leave this button, I'm no longer hovering on this button. So that creates a problem. In case, like I was trying to explain, if you have those navbar that has drop down, that when you hover on it, it drops down the list. Yeah. So while hovering will not work in that instance. Yeah, but in that instance, you would use mouse enter. So what mouse enter does is once I click on, so that's different between mouse enter and hovering. So once I use mouse entering and I come to this button, it opens up the overlay. Yeah, but once I leave that button, it still makes this overlay persistent. Yeah, so it doesn't change. So if I change this back to while hovering, so if I put hover, you can see once I leave that button, it doesn't stick. Yeah, but once I change the interaction to mouse enter. Yeah. So what happens is once I'm in and I'm out, the hover still stays. So in this case, I could come here and click on my follow button. You can see. Yeah. So I can click outside and it closes. So I enter, I can click outside, it closes. So it keeps it persistent, so it doesn't close. This is just an example of how it works. Yeah, in real life, most times you can use it for your navbar. Yeah, so your navbar components, so using while hovering, you can use mouse enter. So once you put the mouse over the button, it brings down all the options on it and it keeps it there. Yeah, so I hope that